Hey friends, if you encounter the error you don't have sufficient access to uninstall a program in your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Search for Registry Editor in the Windows search bar and open Registry Editor. Go to HKey Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows. Now right click on Windows, select New Key, name it Installer. Hit Enter. Now we will create a Diva 32-bit entry in the right pane. The name is disable MSI. Now I don't mention all words in the description section because it's easy to remember. Right click new Diva 32-bit value. It's disable MSI. Double click on it. Make sure that the value data is 0. Click on OK and restart your computer. Restarting your computer is important. Why? Because if you don't restart your computer, it will not pick up the changes and this will fix your issue. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.